The Nimbus EV is a revolutionary electric vehicle that combines sustainability, innovation, and style. The Nimbus EV is a cutting-edge electric vehicle that boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design with a spacious interior and advanced technology features. Its electric powertrain provides a smooth and quiet ride with a range of up to 300 miles for 183 kilometers in a single charge. The vehicle's advanced battery management system ensures efficient energy use and rapid charging capabilities. With its commitment to sustainability and innovation, the Nimbus EV is an attractive option for environmentally conscious drivers who demand the latest technology and style. They have a top speed of 50 miles per hour 80 kilometers per hour and 75 miles per hour 121 kilometers per hour respectively, and can accelerate from 0 to 30 miles per hour 48 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds and 2.8 seconds respectively. They boast an efficiency of 370 mpg in the city and have a range of 93 miles 150 kilometers and 128 miles 206 kilometers respectively. The vehicles have a high-strength steel structure with a thermoplastic shell and weigh 727.5 pounds 330 kilograms. The vehicle features advanced technology, including a swappable 9 kWh battery Nimbus 1 or fixed 12 kWh battery Nimbus 1S, Bluetooth speakers, front airbag, ABS, traction control, and intelligent vehicle systems like Nimbus Balance and frontal collision warning, with additional features available via LTE updates. DLOGAN autonomous vehicles are revolutionizing transportation with their cutting-edge technology. These self-driving cars boast advanced sensor suites, enabling them to navigate complex environments with ease. With a top speed of 80 miles per hour, they can travel up to 300 miles on a single charge. DLOGAN autonomous vehicles have a payload capacity of 500 kilograms, making them suitable for various uses such as passenger transportation, cargo delivery, ethical transportation, and municipal services. These vehicles can handle various terrains and weather conditions, including urban roads, suburban areas, rural roads, snow, rain, and extreme temperatures. The Ryse Recon drone is a cutting-edge, high-performance unmanned aerial vehicle UAV designed for surveillance, inspection, and mapping. With a flight time of up to 45 minutes and a range of 8 kilometers 5 miles, it offers exceptional endurance and reach. Its advanced 4K camera captures stunning aerial footage and photos, while its AI-powered obstacle avoidance system ensures safe and efficient navigation. The Ryse Recon drone features a robust and weather-resistant design IP54 rating, can carry payloads up to 2 kilograms 4.4 pounds, and has a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour. The Ryse Recon drone is a cutting-edge, high-performance unmanned aerial vehicle designed for surveillance, inspection, and mapping. With a flight time of up to 45 minutes and a range of 8 kilometers, it offers exceptional endurance and reach. The Candela P12 is a revolutionary electric hydrofoil boat that combines sustainability, innovation, and luxury. With a top speed of 60 knots 111 kilometers per hour, it is one of the fastest electric boats on the market. Its advanced hydrofoil design reduces drag, allowing for exceptional range up to 93 nautical miles and efficiency. The P12 features a spacious cockpit, comfortable seating for 12, and ample storage. Its advanced battery system provides up to 2 hours of continuous use, while its regenerated braking technology extends range and reduces wear. The Candela P12 is perfect for water sports enthusiasts, families, and environmentally conscious boaters, offering an unparalleled on-water experience with minimal environmental impact. The Modular flying car is a revolutionary, futuristic transportation solution that combines the benefits of a car and an aircraft. This innovative vehicle features a modular design, allowing it to transform from a sleek, high-performance car to a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft in minutes. With a top speed of 155 miles per hour on land and 300 miles per hour in the air, it offers unparalleled flexibility and convenience. Its advanced electric propulsion system ensures eco-friendly operation, while its advanced autonomy technology enables safe and efficient flight. The modular flying car boasts a spacious interior, comfortable seating for 4, and ample cargo space, making it ideal for daily commutes, road trips, and adventure travel.